So, good morning, everyone. Before we start for the next topic, just a clarification. In our previous class, we have represented here that capital N is equal to 11. However, previously we have discussed that we will talk about capital N as the order and capital L as the length. So I have changed this one. If you see in the numerical, we have gone for the calculation of 11 points. That means here it was capital N. Okay, in this one and also in the second question this will be capital L. So please change your records accordingly. We are trying to do the modification in the videos also. So there will be some text which will be popping up to tell you that that n is basically the order of the filter. Okay. Now I hope none of you have any problem with this one. How to do the numericals, right? So going forward, similar type of numericals you will get in this fashion also. Design a low pass filter with the following specification: cutoff frequency 500 Hz, sampling frequency 2000 Hz, order of the filter capital N is equal to 10, and length of the filter it becomes L is equal to n plus 1, which becomes 11. Okay. Now in this type of numericals, first you have to do the normalization of the cutoff frequency. Okay, you have to do the normalization of the cutoff frequency. How it is done? It is given by omega c, it is equal to 2 pi fc by fs, which is equal to 2 pi 500. Here the cutoff frequency is 500 hertz divided by fs, which gives us pi by 2. Now suppose in case of band pass filter, there will be omega 1, omega c1 and omega c2. Then over there you will be having two normalization these things. So it will be say 2 pi fc1 by fs, and the second one will be 2 pi fc2 by fs. So you will be getting two frequencies, and you have to use those frequencies for the further study. Now once you have done this, the rest of the procedure it remains the same. So if you look into this equation and our first numerical, they are both same. Okay, sorry, this is high pass filter, so this is a low pass filter, we are having the same thing, right? So the questions may be given in either of the two formats. Directly you may be given with a low pass frequency, low pass filter with a frequency response of this kind of thing, and you can directly proceed to do the numerical. Otherwise you may be given with the cutoff frequencies as such, and then you have to find out the stuffs. Okay, the cutoff frequencies in terms of radians, and then you have to proceed. Okay, I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so the next question is we will be getting into this designing of filters using windows. The simplest form of the window we have already discussed is the rectangular window. Okay, now if you see over here, it is given design a low pass filter using rectangular window by taking 9 samples. That means in this case our capital L is equal to 9. Okay, of Wn. Okay, that means we have to take 9 number of samples and a cutoff frequency of 1.2 radian per second. Okay, so if you look in the previous examples, what we were doing, we were calculating for both h1 and h of minus 1, h2 and h of minus 2. So both in the positive and the negative time instances, whatever the filter coefficients we were having, we were calculating that, and then in the final transfer function we were going for the adjustment of the hn values, right? However, the other method of doing this is we go for hd omega, it is equal to e to the power minus j omega alpha, okay, where alpha we have discussed that it is L minus 1 divided by 2, okay. So in this case it is 4, okay. So what you have to do, we have chosen this frequency component. So the same steps what we have followed, hdn is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral of minus pi to pi hd omega e to the power j omega n d omega, okay. Now from our previous thing we know that for a low pass filter we have a frequency components which varies from minus of omega c to plus of omega c, okay. Now what is the omega c over here? Omega c is 1.2 radians, okay. So omega c is 1.2 radians. So you can go for the solving the integral and you get over here, and then n is equal to 0 to 8, right, because we are having 9 samples and our alpha is equal to 4, right. So once you have done this, you just put the value of n and alpha over here. So n varies from 0, so 0. So if you see over here, we are having alpha, this n is 0, then our alpha is 4, sine of 1.2, 0 minus 4 divided by pi multiplied by 0 by 4. So we get minus of 0.08, okay. Similarly, you go for h of 1 calculation, h of 2 calculation, h of 3 calculation, h of 4 calculation, where we have to apply the L'Hospital's rule, okay, because in our previous case, if you see, so here for n equals to 0, which was at the middle, we had to apply the L'Hospital's rule, okay. Here also, if you see the h of 4, it is the middle point, okay, it is the middle point, and then you go for this mm, h of 5, h of 6, h of 7 and h of 8. I have kept h of 0 and h of 8 side by side because both are having same values. Similarly, h of 1 and h of 7, they are having same values, okay. H of 2 and h of 6, they are having same values, okay. So in this fashion you got it. Now the thing is that we have to calculate the window parameters. So Wn for a rectangular window, we have values of 1, okay. So we have values of 1, and if you see, we have to take 9 number of samples. So that means we will be having Wn is equal to 1 for n equals to 0 to L minus 1. So L minus 1 is 8. So 0 to 8, for n equals to 0 to 8, we will be having values of 1, otherwise we will be having 0. So W0, W1, W2 all are having a value of 1. Now what you have to do, we have calculated HDN. So our H dash n, in some books we will also find that they give it as HN, directly HN, okay. So HN is given by HDN, whatever you have calculated over here, multiplied by window coefficients, and you will get the H0, H1 values, whatever you will be getting. Now in this case, since Wn is equal to 1 for all the values. So whatever the HDN values you have got, that will be used for calculating the transfer function. Okay. Then after you have got the transfer function, you have to go for the realization of the filter. Now next thing is design a band pass filter to pass frequencies in the range 1 to 2 radians per second using Hanning window with L equals to 5. Okay. So if you see HD omega, it is equal to e to the power minus j omega alpha omega c1 to omega c2. It will vary. So whether omega c1 is 1 radian per second and omega c2 is 2 radians per second. So if you try to plot the frequency response, it is 1, it is 2, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. So see, accordingly we will be having the equations like this. So j omega, I have not written the equation, so you can write down the equation over here. HDN is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral of minus pi to pi, sorry, minus say minus 2 to minus 1, okay, e to the power j omega alpha multiplied by e to the power j omega n. This is negative, okay, d omega plus integral of 1 to 2 e to the power minus j omega alpha multiplied by e to the power j omega n d omega. Okay. So you will get this equation, and then you try to solve this equation like this, and then you get this kind of formula, right? Sin omega c2 n minus alpha minus of sin omega c1 n minus alpha divided by pi by n minus alpha. Okay. Now we are telling omega c1 is equal to 1 radian per second, and this is 2 radian per second, and alpha, since we are having L equals to 5, our alpha is equal to 2. So if you have here, what we are doing, we are directly calculating Hn, which is equal to Hdn Wn. So what we have, Wn is equal to, for Hanning window, we are having 0.5 minus of 0.5 cos of 2 pi n by L minus 1. Okay. So you take this equation directly and multiply with this part using this equation. So when you put the values of n will vary from 0 to 4, and at n equals to 2 you have to apply the L'Hospital's rule, and from there you calculate your transfer function. Okay. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions?
So from where we get the window function Wn?
We are given na Hanning window. If you see, I have already given you the equation for the Hanning window.
Okay, sir. Okay, directly we will take it.
Yeah. So these are given. So your this heading window, it is a standard window. Okay, right? So
Okay, sir.
I would ask you now to solve this numerical and the second one on your own now. Okay, and after you have done with this one, then solve the second equation, this one, by changing the filter to Hamming window and Blackman window. Okay. So if you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise, we can start with solving this numerical.
Sir, I'm asking that window functions will be given in the question, or we'll have to remember the
No, you have to
five.
remember the window functions. There are 4
Okay,
or
sir.
5 window functions, so you have to remember those, all of these. Okay. Anything else? Okay, then thank you.